Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 29th, featuring a pretty morning crescent moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunrise and sunset. Find those times in local sources. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. 1 hour before sunrise, a lovely crescent moon is visible in the east-southeast. The lunar orb, 8% illuminated, is nearly 20 degrees above the horizon. It is in front of Virgo, 6.9 degrees to the upper right of Purima. Look for earthshine on the moon's night portion from sunlight reflected from Earth's features. Take a photograph with a tripod-mounted camera and exposures up to a few seconds. Bright Jupiter is high in the west-southwest. It is the brightest star in the sky this morning. The Jovian giant is retrograding between the bull's horns, Elnath, and Zeta Tauri, 11.5 degrees to Aldebaran's upper left, Taurus' brightest star. Mars, considerably dimmer than Jupiter, but resembling Aldebaran in color and brightness, is high in the south. It marches eastward in front of Gemini, 6.9 degrees to Pollux's lower left. The red planet's eastward trek is nearly at an imaginary line that begins at Castor and extends through Pollux. This alignment occurs tomorrow as Mars marches into Cancer. In the evening sky, Mercury continues to slowly emerge from bright evening twilight, setting tonight nearly 40 minutes after nightfall. It is visible next month. Venus is visible as Mercury sets. The evening star is nearly 10 degrees above the southwest horizon and 5.4 degrees to Antares' upper left, Scorpius' brightest star. Antares is a challenge to see as it reaches its heliacal setting, its final evening appearance in the western sky after sunset for the year. Its rosy color is muted by the hues of evening twilight. A binocular might be needed to see it. Antares disappears into brighter evening twilight, reaching solar conjunction on December 1st. Venus finally emerged from evening twilight, gaining 35 minutes of setting time compared to sunset during the month. During November, the planet gains 65 minutes of setting time, improving its visibility. At this hour, Saturn is nearly one-third of the way from the southeast horizon to overhead and over 20 degrees to the star Fomalhaut's upper left. The ringed wonder retrogrades in front of Aquarius. Jupiter rises over 2 hours after sundown, followed by Mars about 3 hours later. On November 3rd, Jupiter rises as Venus sets, a Venus-Jupiter opposition. After this date, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn are visible in the evening sky at the same time. Venus and Jupiter are on opposite sides of the sky while Saturn is between them. By tomorrow morning, Jupiter and Mars are high in the southern sky, while the very thin moon is above the east-southeast horizon. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.